Well, everybody knows I love the Lord Jesus Christ, my God, and I also love to sing some lullabies for him. And I started to write my little lyrics, so I want to share, so check it out. Today I sing yes, heaven yes, and no, hell no, hell no. Today I sing yes, Jesus yes, and no to the enemy, no to the enemy. Today I sing yes, peace yes, and no war, no. Today I sing yes, love yes, and no hate, no. Today I sing yes, power yes, and no fear, no. Today I sing yes, faith yes, and no doubt, no. Today I sing yes, fun yes, and no stress, no.